government was spying on its own citizens. That's not okay. You know, and I'm sure the Canadian government is spying on its own people. They're all the same. A lot of people are going to be like, misinformation, you have no proof, just rhetoric. To me, I'm just gonna love everybody the same and just continue playing music.
Yeah.
And life goes on. You know.
No, that's 100% what people need. I'm always a big fan of music, man. If people know me, they know me. I love music so much. So that's why I just love how you guys got together and have this one big mission of changing the world in any way you can. You know, with the talents that you guys have, it's just really, really amazing. So I'm gonna say you guys should just keep on doing what you're doing. Like Brian said, you know, you're doing it for a good cause. You're doing it to join people together. You know, to have people come together, dance, have fun, and I think that's what this band represents, really.
And educate.
And educate.
And
yeah.
Yeah. You know. Yeah.
And things that matters.
Yeah. We don't want people to just dance and go home.
Yeah.
Not being changed, but you know, we want people to listen to the music and that music impact them, impact their lives. You know, if a person comes to our show and learns something, or comes to the show and dances and feels a change in their heart. It's just in northern Sudan, and nobody knew what was going on.
No.
And so, to me, that was an opportunity right there to educate.
That's
and
awesome.
That felt so good to me to know that, okay, well, I've pointed out an area in the world where there's, you know, kids are dying every single day. You know, bombs are going off. There's tons of famine going on in that area. But not a lot of these students knew anything about it.
Yeah.
You know, and that was unfortunate, but that mission was accomplished that day. To know that, okay, we
did something there.
Yeah, we did something today. We told
That's beautiful, man.
people, hey, pull out your phones, check out what's going on in Sudan.
Yeah.
You know, I know you know what's going on in Palestine, and in Ukraine, but there's other people in the world and other kids that are facing worse. So check it out. Just be informed. You know,
very educative, obviously, just like this show was for today. But I do appreciate you guys so much, and my guy Major, I'm gonna tell you, man. You know, we got the best crew right here now.